Hello everyone, I am Dr. Biswajit Mahanti, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, SR University, Warangal, Telangana, India. Today, my discussion topics is comparators because already we have few videos based on operational amplifiers related to inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier, comparator, differentiator, integrator, adder, subtractor, all those things. So today we are going for discussions on comparator circuits. So today's discussion is comparator circuit. Comparator circuit. Comparator. So comparator, what is comparator? Comparator basically is a circuit that compares a signal voltage applied at one input of an op-amp with a known reference voltage at the other input. What does it mean? This is op-amp plus minus. So two inputs are there. This is the output. So here one input, here we can use as a some AC signals. Here we can fix some DC voltage or something like that, V reference. So it's a constant voltage. So now this input, the sinusoidal AC, is compared with the fixed reference voltage and we are getting the output. So here output should be either plus V set or minus V set. So output should be either plus V set or minus V set depending on the input level, amplitude level of the input with respect to V reference. For positive comparator, as I mentioned, that means two type of comparator. One is positive comparator. For positive comparator or non-inverting comparator. Non-inverting comparator. So what is the conditions? If V in is greater than, or amplitude of the V in is greater than V reference, then V0 should be plus V set. If V in is less than V reference, then V0 should be minus V set. So two levels are there, like G1 and 0, something like that, plus minus. For negative comparator or the inverting comparator, so negative or inverting comparator, what is the output level? If V in is greater than or mod amplitude whatever V reference, then V0 should be minus V set, just opposite to the earlier. And if V in is less than V reference, then V0 should be plus V set. So these are the conditions. But always, my dear student, remember output should be either minus V set or plus V set depending on the input level and the type of the comparator circuit. Now we'll take one circuit. So what should be the output waveform for the positive comparator? So number one is positive comparator, positive or non-inverting comparator. So first draw the circuit diagram. Simple circuit is there because it is open loop type. So this is plus, this is minus. As positive comparator, we can give one resistor here and we can use here the input signal V in. So always remember, if it is non-inverting comparator, then the input should be connected at non-inverting terminal. If it is inverting comparator, then the input signal must be connected at inverting terminal. So here reference should be at V reference, inverting terminals. The corresponding output, we have to find out V0. What is V0? So let us draw. So now see, I am drawing the waveform here, input and as well as output. Suppose plus Vm minus Vm like this. We will draw the input here. So suppose this is input, this is input, like this. This is T, this is V of in. Now some place I am writing reference, because V reference, suppose 1 volt or 2 volt, something like that. So now suppose this is the reference voltage. I am writing in general V reference. So now we have to draw the output waveform. Now I am drawing the output waveform. So what I told you, a positive comparator, V0 should be plus V set if V in greater than V reference, otherwise minus V set. So now means if V in less than V reference, then it should be minus V set. Now see, if I give a level here, O to A, this is A point, this is A. My dear student, check carefully. O to A, the input is less than the reference. So definitely, if it is minus V set, if it is plus V set, so what condition is satisfied? Input is less than V reference, means minus V. It will start with minus V set. So as V in is less than V reference, so it should be at minus V set. This is at minus V set. But when A to this point, B, A to B, this portion, this A to B, the input is greater than V reference. This input is greater than V reference. So if the input is greater than V reference, then output should be plus V set, as I mentioned here. So up to this point, output should be at plus V set. So this is plus V set. So it will move up to plus V set. It will stay up to plus V set. After that, from B to C, suppose this point is C. So this B to C, this point is less than the V reference. If it is less than the V reference, then output should be minus V set. So it will go to the minus V set again up to this point, because this whole area input is less than the V reference. Now it will come to this. Now C to D, if I write D, C to D, again this portion, it is beyond the input level, because this is the V reference, the input is greater than V reference. So up to this, it will be at plus V set. So it will be at plus V set, again it will go down. So this is the input versus output waveform. So hope you people understand. So now I will come up with new video with inverting comparator. So till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.